Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fire Stick easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Fire Stick from the box. Locate the HDMI port on your television. Plug the Fire Stick directly into the HDMI port. If your TV is wall mounted, use the included HDMI extender. Next, connect the power adapter to the Fire Stick. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Turn on your television and select the correct HDMI input. You should see the Fire Stick welcome screen. If you don't see it, double-check the HDMI connection. Use the included remote to pair it with the Fire Stick. Insert the batteries into the remote if you haven't already. Press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds. Wait for the on-screen pairing instructions to appear. Once paired, you will be prompted to connect to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list provided. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the remote. After connecting, your Fire Stick will check for updates. Wait for the updates to finish installing. You will then see a welcome message on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. You can sign in using your Amazon account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one during this step. Once signed in, you will see the Fire Stick homepage. Browse the apps section for your favorite streaming services. Select the apps you want and begin downloading them. Follow any additional setup prompts as needed. Now, you're ready to start streaming your favorite content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.